In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Outlook account online in just a few simple steps. Whether you're accessing your emails for work, personal use, or staying in touch with friends and family, logging into Outlook is a quick and straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure you're using a reliable web browser like Google Chrome. If you haven't already opened Chrome, go ahead and launch it. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the URL bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll type in either outlookoffice.com or outlook.live.com, depending on whether you're accessing a professional or personal account. These addresses will take you directly to the Outlook sign-in page, which is your gateway to accessing your email and other services provided by Outlook. Once the page has loaded, you'll see a field where you can enter your email address. Please enter the full email address associated with your Outlook account. Take a moment to double check you've typed it correctly, as even a tiny error can prevent you from logging in. After you've confirmed that everything looks good, click the next button to proceed to the password entry stage. Now it's time to enter your password. Ensure you're typing it accurately, paying attention to case sensitivity, since passwords are generally case sensitive. As a helpful tip, make sure your caps lock is not accidentally turned on, as this could lead to incorrect password entries. After entering your password, click on the sign in button to move forward. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your Outlook account, a great security measure by the way, you'll need to complete this step before gaining access. Depending on your chosen security preference, this could involve inputting a code sent to your registered phone number or email, approving a sign-in request on an authenticated device, or using an authenticator app. Simply follow the instructions provided to complete this additional layer of security. Once you've successfully completed these steps, you should now be logged into your Outlook account. In the future, to make logging in even easier, consider allowing your browser to remember your login credentials, but only do this on your personal devices to maintain security. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to tackle emails, check your calendar, and manage your tasks all through Outlook. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!